it's a real image, and that one is a mirror image. It's a solid mirror. I put it over here, and it's the x-axis, it's the y-axis. Okay, and this is the object that I placed in front of the mirror. It's a eraser. Okay, if I move the object 1 unit down, the mirror image also moved by 1 unit in the same direction. 2 unit, same result. For looks the mirror, 2 unit, same result. Okay, 3 unit, same result. Same result as the real object changes. Okay. Now, if I move the object 1 unit right, the mirror image also moves 1 unit in the right. 2 unit, 3 unit, same result. Same result. Okay. If I place it diagonally and look at the changes on the mirror to learn reflection in the y-axis. Okay, some problem is here. I'm also here. It is x-axis, it is y-axis. It's a real graph paper. Horizontal one is x-axis, vertical one is y-axis. 4 kinds of problem is on graph paper. Less paper, save tree. Okay, trees are very important. Here, this is the question. Reflection on y-axis. Last class was reflection in the x-axis. So today reflection on the y-axis. B point at first. B point is 1 unit left from the y-axis or mirror line. So B point would be the 2 unit right over here. A unit is 4 unit left, so A unit would be 4 unit right, and C point is, why I'm calling it unit, C point is 2 unit left, so it would be 2 unit right, 2 unit right through this direction. Okay, so where it is C, it is A, it is B, A prime, B prime, C prime, add them, add by pen, then it looks better, more visibility. Perfect. It is object, it is image. Okay, question is called object and the reflected object is called image. Next one, this one. Here A point attach B point. B point is putting on the mirror line. Okay, y-axis. So B point, the reflective B point would be here, and A point is 1 unit left, so it would be 1 unit right. It is A prime. Okay, and D unit is 2 units left, so D is 2 unit right over here. E is 3 units left, so it is 3 unit right here. E prime, D prime, and then C, 1 2 3. So 1 2 3, where? Here it is C prime. Then add them, problem solved. Well, this one, this one, this one, my mistake, this one and that one. What kinds of image it is? Is that a trapezium? What? Okay, next one, it is your question. Okay, here's another triangle. A is 1 unit left, so 1 unit right, so B is 1 unit left from the y-axis, so B is 1 unit right, and C is 1 2 3 unit left, so 1 2 3 3 units right. What? It is A prime, it is C prime, it is B prime. Add them by marker pen. here, here, and here. Okay, job done. You can solve the transformation by different ways, and I'm showing you actually the more logical and more easiest way. I know the others way at least. Okay, here B is on unit left, so B is on unit right, so A is on unit left, so on right 4 where on it, not on unit, it is 4 unit. C is 4 unit left, so C is 4 unit right, C prime. And what is that? D is on unit, so it is D prime, and it is E is 1 2 3 unit left, so 3 unit right, 1 2 3 where this point, yes, that point, it is E prime. Add them. Where the point? I find here, over here. Perfect. Object, image, question, answer. Is there any question? Yes, there is another question. It looks complicated. No problem, we will try. B, where is B? This one is A is 4 unit left, so through this direction is 4 unit right, it is A prime. B is 1 unit left, so 1 unit right. Now you're expert. Here D is 1 unit left, so D is 1 unit right. Where C is 4 unit left, so C is 4 unit right. And G is 1 2 3 unit left, so 1 2 3 here, over here, or a mistake. No, dear. Okay, 2 unit. AC is 2 unit here. This one is ACE, this one is Z prime, and another point is E is 1 2 3, it is E, it is F. Okay, E is 1 2 3 unit left, so it is 3 unit. 1 2 3 unit right, it is E, and it is F 1 2 unit, so it is 2 unit. It is F prime, E prime. Okay, at first at this line, then this line, then where it is C. Why it is C? If it is C, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, it would be C, not this one. Okay, and this, well, yes, this one, and these 2 points connect together, and these 2 points. This looks good. And then next on, it is I should use the pencil because there is a much possible to mistake here. 1, remember y-axis is a mirror line, so A reflected on y-axis, so 1 2 3, 1 2 3, it is A prime. And C is 1 2 2 unit left, so unit right, 1 2, it is C. And then problem is B. B is 2 unit right, 1 2 unit right, so it would be 1 2. Here the B prime, and where D is on it right, so D is on unit left, right. So add them, the image, very interesting image. Okay, then A and C, I don't know. Is it correct or wrong? Okay, B to D, where B to D, this one. If I will mistake, then I will try again, no problem. Do you understand? Do you understand? The yellow shaded figure is the question, and this gray color figure is the answer. Maybe it is correct. Oh my god, it's complicated. No problem, no problem. We'll try. If we'll mistake, then we'll try again, try again, try again. No problem. A. Where do we start? From here? Okay. A. A is 2 unit right, so 2 unit left. It is A. And B is 1 2 3 unit right, so 1 2 3 unit left. C is placed on the mirror, so of course it would be the C prime also. And E is on it right, so on unit left. Here this one is E, and that one is D prime. That one is, what is that, F. 1 2 3 1 2 3, it is F. Okay, then what is it? It is I. I is on it right, so I is on it left. Ace is 2 unit right, so Ace is 2 unit left. Z is 1 2 3 3 unit right, so it is 3 unit 1 2 3. This direction, it is C prime, Ace prime, I prime. Can I edit? Let's try. Okay, better I could use the 1 1 2 3 1 2 3. So it is C. There is a C prime, and why it is D, why it is F. Oh, this one is F. Okay, B to D. A lot of confusion is here. Okay, and D to F. This one is D to F, and F to Z. At this F to Z, and Z to Ace. Ace to I, and I to E. This one is E. And E to D. Where E to D? This one is E to D. Is that okay or not okay? Okay, let's check again. A to B line, and then E to F line, and in between E to F line there is a D over here, Okay, there is OD over here, and below the below the B it is F, right? Below the B it is F. Perfect. It is perfect. This one is a space ACE. The below the line, the C is a space, the CE is here. This is a space, blank space, and BF, there is a BF, it is a space. Okay, it is perfect.